Alright guys, we got a Forester here. This is from 2012 up to 2018, 2.5 non-turbo. Same thing as Legacy and Outback. Today we're gonna change the spark plug on this side right here. Same thing on this side. For some Subaru, especially on the 2.5 or 2.0, you have to jack up the engine, take out the engine mount nut and jack up a little bit, a couple of inches. Especially on this side right here, it's a little tight right there. Maybe you had to take out the battery. This one right here, take out the air box, the tube, disconnect this. There's a bolt right there, and this whole air box will come out. There's a coil, two coil right there. We'll take out this coil. Let's take out the coils without jacking up the engine, and let's see if we can do the easy way. Alright, down here, this is a 10mm socket. Alright, take this out. And there's a nut right here. There's a 10mm nut right here. There you go, look at that. Alright, so down here, you can see two coil. Disconnect the two wire, and then we'll use 10mm to take out this bolt. Loosen it up. There's the second one. Alright, so let's take out this coil right here on the front. That one's easy. Don't mix them up. Okay. Oh, look at that oil. That's not good. There's leaks on this valve cover. Okay. This one. See oil right there. The valve cover on this is leaking. So I don't know if you can see it, but we're just gonna wipe it off. All right, let's take out the spark plug. All right, guys, 9/16 socket for the spark plug. Put it in there, and then extension after 3-inch extension. Damn. And then you just use a ratchet. All right, that one is loose. Tight spot right here in the back. Let's see if we can do this. Put the socket in, put the extension, and put your ratchet. Oh, we got about 1/2 inch right there. Oh, we got it. This side is easy because there's a lot of room here, but on the driver's side, it's gonna be a tough one. All right, so it's cracked loose. We're just gonna use our hand to take out the spark plug. Spark plug are loose. Let's take it out. Use this magnet here. Look at that, soaked with oil. Second one. Yeah, look at that. Crazy. All right, let's put a new one in. Here's the part number. Double check with the old one, make sure it's right. Looks good to me. Alright, we're just gonna hand tighten here and get the socket in, and we'll do the same thing on the other side. Alright guys, so it's hand tight in there now. We're just gonna use this extension again, and then we'll use the ratchet to snug it up. Just nice and snug. Alright, that's done. Then the one on the front. Snug it up. There you go. Alright, we'll put the ignition coil. This is the exact same one. Came out, so you put it back. Same thing. This is for the front. And then the one for the back. This is the one, hard to reach one to the back. Just put it on an angle and it goes in like that. Alright, I'm just gonna hand tight this bolt, and then we'll snug it up after. Nice and snug the bolt for the coil. Same thing on the other side, nice and snug. Now we're gonna connect the wire for this coil. Alright guys, so it's all nice and tight in there. There it is. New spark plug. Just installed on the passenger side. This is the easy part. Now we're gonna be working on this side now. With the battery here on the way. And that back one right there, here's the front, the spark plug, and there's the one on the back. The back one is the tough one, so you probably had to jack it up. The driver's side mount on this side, and then take out the battery so we have lots of room. Alright guys, let's take out the battery here. And there's a battery clamp right there. This bracket, 10 mil. Take those out. Deep socket, 10 mil. Wiggle it up. Spread this thing open. This is gonna suck. You can see there's a coil and there's a coil. This is the worst one right here. Let's give it a try without jacking up the engine. Let's use this small 10 mil socket here. Take out this coil. Alright, so I got the coil out on this side. So on the back here is the worst one. Like I said, let's see if this will come out. Yeah, I have to bend it so it will come out. And you see, spark plug leak again. There's a leak. Alright, spark plug socket in there and then extension. Let's take her out. Whoa, look at that. It's just soaked, man. Soaked with oil. There we go. Alright, let's do that one at the back here. This is the hardest part to do this spark plug because there's no room. Let's see if we can do this without jacking up the engine. Okay, that's not bad. Alright, here we go. Oh yeah, buddy. We got it. Nice. It grabs. It grabs pretty good. Here's the new one. Put it in there. We're halfway done. Home stretch. Gonna snug it up and then put everything back together. To snug all the two spark plug, we're gonna tighten her up now. There we go. Last spark plug. The one at the back is nice and snug now. Now this is the last one on the front. So basically we didn't even jack up the engine. So you could do this without jacking up the bottom of the engine. Don't take out that engine mount bolt. Very easy on this 2.5. Alright, there you go. Nice and snug. In the future we're gonna replace the valve cover gasket. Look at that, like that's nasty. That's a lot of oil. Alright guys, there we go. We're just gonna put the battery tray and the battery in there. Get the battery cable bolted down to the battery. And the air box right here, bolted down. One bolt right there, nut, and then the tube bolted down, and that's pretty much it. Put the cover right here, and then away you go. That's it. That's how you change this spark plug on a 2.5, no turbo. Thanks for watching. See you guys again in the next one. All right, we're gonna give this thing a quick crank. Check it out. Make sure it's start. Make sure there's no leak. Doesn't make a sound. We did the spark plug on this, and then we did idler, tensioner, and belts on this one as well. So, go ahead. I forgot to plug in the wire.